Munye wabaholi bemphakathi usithobele sithombe salelanga Takhamuti tihlaselwa bamfu labekadze bahlome ngetibhamu.
Those women, yo, they were happy like when gunshots were still ringing.
Thabang Mloyi uthi nanyalo useva umsimvo walabasikati labekadze balilitela ngalesikhathi kukhala tinhlavu. Le Takhamuti taye emkhukhwini yase chicken farm kuyofuna sisombululo ngeludaba lekwebiwa kwetintsambo tagesi. Lelo langa likhunjula njengelilanga lelibhlungu kabi.
As I'm speaking to you today, I'm telling you, yesterday, cable was lost again on that particular place. Do you understand? To show that Eskom, they don't care, nobody cares about us still, even after the death of Diale.
Umphakathi lo lahlekwele ukhumbula Kgomotso Diale lobekatiwa ngatso. Lo mphakathi usachubeka nekwenta lubito lokuthi imikhukhu yase chicken farm kumele isuswe. Bathi labo labakadze bahlala kulendzawo baniketwe tindlu tesibonelelo pheceleti ema-RDP. Kusenjalo lo mphakathi unconywe ngekusukuma ulwisana nebugebengu kanye nekusebenzisana nemaphoyisa.
Peaceful demonstration is also allowed in terms of the constitution of the country. So obviously anything that does happen or that is being done by members of the community, they must do it within the confines of the law. And I believe if they work peacefully, applying properly on time for gatherings. Remember, there's a Gatherings Act. Applying on time, police being on board in ensuring that anything that they do within the confines of the law. There's nothing wrong with that.
Mazibuko wende lubito ku Eskom kuthi sebenzisane nemalungu emphakathi kumitamo yabo yokuvikela takhiwo ncandi.